So good morning. I am back at this little pond. Um, I think I think this is gonna be my last time bank fishing for a while. No, I wouldn't say a while. At least a couple of weeks. I jacked up my back pretty bad, and like I can barely walk, and it's killing me to do anything really. And you know, I love fishing, but I love my mobility more. But I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. Still gonna post videos. Still got a bunch of videos in the queue. But with this one here, I'm gonna at the end of the video, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna announce the winner to the giveaway. What I'm gonna do instead of doing like a random comment generator, I'm just gonna put all of your names in a hat and draw it that way. Just because there's a lot of spammers that blew up my comments section, and you know, and I don't want to have to keep on going through. So what I'll do is I'll take your name down, put it, see if you're a subscriber, see if you said the code word on the video, and then draw the names, and then I'll get with you later. But what better way to, I guess, stop fishing for a while, than to hit this little pond up that's brought me major success and a lot of fun. Without further ado, let's get at it. I got my go-to Whopper Plopper 75 perch. Brought me much success. All right, let's get her done. Oh, I already had a fish jump at it. Oh, got one. That's a little guy. All right, let's haul her in. Okay. Oh, that big one was chasing it. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna get you, guy. There's a big one just sitting right there, chasing this little guy in. Just had caught that little one, and a bigger fish was chasing it down like it wanted to hit it. So I might just toss this a couple of times, or toss my what the heck is it called? Yum dinger. Got another one. That's a decent one too. It's a decent. Oh, it popped off. Son of a gun. Let me give it one more cast with the plopper, then I'm gonna switch it up. Got one? Oh yeah, I got one. That's a little guy. Another little one. Fuck. Damn. You know I'm trying to help you, right? And the bass get their revenge. I'm gonna have to go weightless. This jig is getting caught up in the weeds. Oh, let me tie on a hook. All right, I'm gonna try to work this. Oh God, I dropped my phone in the water. I'm gonna try to work this weightless and see if we get above the weeds a little bit. Good. I see a big guy swimming around there. That's a big one. Yep. Oh, yeah. No. big guy. There you go. It's a strong little fella. That's the one I was after. See if I get another one. Satisfied now. Satisfied. Now it's time to go home. Stay tuned, and I will announce the giveaway, or the winner to the giveaway. And hopefully my back feels a little better. And keep on fishing, man. Guys, take it easy. Have a good day. Peace.